how to use sharing location live on Google Maps. So the first thing you want to make sure that you or the other person that will use this sharing location live. On the Google Maps application setting, you want to allow Google Maps to always use your location. This is because the Google Maps want to active even when the application is closed or even when the phone is locked. So what you want to do, for example, here on iPhone, you want to go to your settings and then go on Google Maps application. And then here on location, you want to click on it and then choose to always. And there you go. So right here in Google Map application, you want to tap on this profile picture and then you want to go to location sharing and choose share location. And for your information, that the information that we'll share to anybody else is your location and your battery. And then you can also customize your sharing real-time location. For example, you want to do it for 3 hours or so, and the maximum is 24 hours. So when you want to do it for 2-3 days or so, you can just click to until you turn this off. And at the bottom right here, you can choose which one that you want to share your live location within the email, or if you want to do it on WhatsApp or iMessage, what you can do is you can click these more options and you can copy the link and then send it to them. Just click on the message and click on paste and then send them the link. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.